Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So there are some new updates available for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So today in this video we will check them out. Also do let me know in the comment section that have you installed this One UI 6.1 update which brings in this Galaxy AI features on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra or not. To check it, you just have to go to your settings and then you have to select software update. From here, from download and install, you will get to see the new updates. I have updated on the One UI 6.1. Also, I have updated on the 1st October 2024 security patch. I have not received any 2024 November security patch. So I have received some new updates in the Galaxy Store app. To check for this update, you just have to go to your menu and from here you have to select these updates. From here you will get to see that there are some multiple new app updates available. First up is this Samsung internet browser. And talking about what's new, so now it supports internet search in the settings. Also, it now provides enhanced protection of the internet. Also, it has removed the option to change the scroll bar. Next, we have this air doodle. Then we have this photo editor, in which now you can save the sketch to image and generated results individually that we will talk about later. Next, we have this Samsung Health update in which you can manage your daily wellness by your energy score and improve your energy. Also, you can set some goals and get some advice for the Samsung Health as well. To update them all, users have to simply click on update all and all of this app will start to update. Now before talking about the Galaxy AI features of the photo editor, let's talk about this One UI 7 icons. You can get to see an early access to these icons. For that, simply visit the link mentioned in the description. I have made a video in which I have explained the process. Now talking about the sketch to image, for that users have to simply click on this icon here and now users have to randomly draw a sketch. After drawing the sketch, users have to simply click on generate and it will generate this sketch on your image. This process might take a while, but as you can see, the results are really amazing. It will regenerate this sketch using the AI. Also, if you do not like the sketch, you can edit it and draw the sketch again and it will generate it again. Now talking about the Galaxy AI feature in the Samsung browser, so as you know that we have these long websites, so if you want to generate a summary or translate, you just have to simply click on this icon here. From here you will get to see two options of translate and summarize. If the website is not in your language, you can translate it from here, or if you want to summarize the website, you can also do that by simply clicking on summarize. After this, you can also translate this summarized version of the website or you can copy it. So this feature is really time saving and you can try that out. It is known as browsing assist. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the new updates and the features that you guys might be missing out if you're new on this channel. So make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new updates.